So this Shark Powered Lift-Away Deluxe or DLX is a candidate for a donation to a local thrift store. Typically what I do with a lot of these vacuums that I find from the curb is if they're in good enough shape to donate, I will typically clean them up and then donate them to a local thrift store. We're going to see if this thing turns on, or if it's got a clog in it. I suspect it's clogged. Usually with these Sharks, when I find them, that's why they're thrown to the curb. A lot of the ones I find, Sharks or otherwise, just vacuums in general, I would say about 25% of them are candidates to at least look into at this point. The rest of them, I end up scrapping them just because they're too dirty or nasty, too broken, they got too many things wrong with them, or they just need too much work to get them back to a working condition. So let's see if this thing turns on. We have no power to the brush roll. However, I think I've got another one of these things on the trailer. Yep, I sure do. Let's get this back to the shop. One thing about these Sharks is if you don't maintain them like any other vacuum, they will definitely tell you about it. They will start clogging, and eventually you're just going to start having problems with suction. Putting this out. But this is one of the biggest downsides to these vacuums, especially if people don't maintain them. All of the dust that goes through that filter from your dustbin goes straight into the motor. What do you think that does to bearings and armatures? Wears them out prematurely. Unfortunately, it's very common with Sharks, just because people don't maintain them, that happens. So what I'm going to do here is just kind of clean this thing up as best I can. And I'm not going to use those filters again because it looks like the filter, at least the top one in this machine, is actually in really good shape. So we're going to take that. Let's see how the bottom filter is. Oh boy. This one's actually worse. This one's good. That one's bad. This is the one that came out of this one on the workbench, and this is the one that's from there. Yeah, I'm not even going to bother with that. We'll vacuum this up a bit and then install it back into this machine. So, mostly cleaned up. Throw that back in. There we go. So, back off. So now we can at least get to the brush chamber here. And this is oddly opened up, unlocked. I don't know why. Either the owner left it unlocked, or these things are both worn out. Not seeing any clog. Let's see if this works. I mean, it's probably good enough, about as good as we're going to get it. Grab our new used filters. I think this bin looks a little bit better, so we'll just use this one. Honestly, they're both about the same. So that's another one, given a little bit more time at life. Not going to be too long before it goes to the scrap heap though, unfortunately, with the way most people treat vacuums. Stay tuned for more videos.